let's look at how to style your blog. Now this is a blog, and if you want to log into the back end so that you can style it, you have to use design. You see up here you have the email, you have new post, then you have design, then you have sign out. You're going to use design. I wanted to look at this blog very well and see how this blog was styled so that you can style your own blog the same way. You see, this blog has a home, it has other pages with which it was styled, then it has an advert on it. I think it's a Google ad from AdSense. Then you see connect with us, then you have join the family. You have people who are actually following this blog right here. Then you have all manner of advert placed on it. Then there is something here which is unique. You might also like this. These are posts that are also in this very blog. They are lined up here automatically. And if you scroll down, you discover that there is a social media connect right here. Now, how do you style this blog? What do you do? How do you get inside? Now, for those who are baby bloggers, I want you to listen very carefully. You can use the design button. Let's go straight to design. Now, when you click on design, you're going to get to the back end of this blog. From this point, you can customize your blog. You can change it if you want. I want to start with a layout. Let's look at the layout. You see here, you have a new blog, then you have layout right here. Now, I want us to look at layout. Layout. Let's click on that. Then on layout, you have what we call Favicon. Favicon, like most of you already know, you can edit your Favicon and use any picture you want. Favicon is this little logo that shows up here on top of your blog. Now, let's try to edit this Favicon. We already have one here. We can remove it. You can choose a photo here. It will take you straight to your computer to pick any photo you want to add as your Favicon. Now, I'm not going to do that because I've already done mine. Then you click on save. I'm not going to save. Now, you can as well look at your post. This is how you make your post. You can look at your post. Now, let's look at this post here. Let's click on edit. Now, if your post or your font are not clear, or they are not exactly the same, you have different font in different blogs that you have, this is where you can edit it. Now, you can do this effectively here to work on your posts. Let's zoom on this. Now, you see there are different icons here. This is your post title, and this is the content. You have a picture here, you have a content here. This content that are here, you can use the icon here to format this content. Let's try and do a little work on our blog. Now, right here, this is link. Anything that I have here, I can link it to another blog. I can link it right here. I can click on link. Then it's asking me to add a link. Now, if I have a web address I want to link into, all I just need to do is to paste the web address here, and let's do that very quickly. Let's link that to a web address right here. Let's go back. I'll paste that web address right here. Or if I have the web address and I want to type it, like you can have www.com. You have Austin Imoru. You have austinimoru.com. Now that is it. The content here will be linked straight to austinimoru.com. You can even link to an email. That is, somebody send me your email, you can link it to an email address. Now I click here. Now you see it's already highlighted. Now if I click on publish, which is here, if I publish this, everything here will be linked to the web address which I gave to it. Let's just try that. Publish. Now that I've done the publishing, it has published. Now you can see right here, view blog. So I'm going to view this blog. I just right click to view this blog right here. And the blog is coming up here. And here we can go back to editing our post. Now, here is the blog right now. Okay. Okay, let's go back in here and just keep working on it. I'm going to click on edit again. Now this is what I edited earlier. Now you can this is where you add your picture. I can click on insert a picture. Let's say I want to insert a picture right here. I click here, then I click on insert, then I wait. It's going to take me to my computer, where I'm going to upload any of the pictures that I want to upload. Now I'm going to choose a file from here. Now let's assume I want to upload this. Keep educating yourself, and I click here. Now it's right here. Let's click on add selected. Now you see the picture I just added is right here. Now this is how you edit your blog. If you want to add a video, you use here, insert a video. Then read more, that most people doesn't know how to add. If you want to add, this is a read more here, right here. I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to add another read more. Now I want my read more to be right here. If I want it to be right here, I'm going to keep my cursor there, right here. Then I come here to click on this, and this by the way, then there's a break in here. It's a page break. The read more will show up there. What is up here will be what is going to be shown on my article. There will be read more telling me to click to read more. Now if you've done that, we can click on update. Now what we've done before, let's come to look at it. This is what we did earlier. You see here, this was what we hyperlink to a website. So if I click here, automatically it's taking me to that website, which is www.austinimoro.com. Now it's going straight to that site. Now let's come back to the blog. Now we've published something else. We added a picture and we publish, remember? Now refresh this and it will change to that very post. Now this was the picture we added, and we added a read more from the blog easier, remember? And we have a read more buffing. This is quite interesting. And lastly, let me show you a few things how you can customize your blog and make it work. Now here you click on customize. Now that you are here, this is the customize. Whatever you edit here will show up here so that you will see what you are working on. Now we can edit our layout, the way your blog looks. We can edit